Hi folks, welcome to another episode of Douchebag Unboxing. So what I have here is the AirPod Pros. So these are supposed to be comfortable. I've read they're not good for exercising, but I figure I can still use them for light exercise. I don't know. Sometimes though, you don't know until you try. Packaging just like strapped in there, man. So pretty cool. Alright, so like this, nice little pull tab, pull it right open. That's helpful. Not a super huge purchase, but pretty big. If I couldn't get it at a discount, I wouldn't have got them. But sometimes you don't realize what something could do to enhance your life or make it a little bit easier, more comfortable until you get it. So, okay. Wow. Okay. Cool. Powerbeats case versus the AirPod Pros case. Massive difference. Profound difference. AirPod Pros case versus the AirPod 2's case. Not that much difference. Like a surprisingly small difference. Like if you, I mean, check that out. I mean, if because this AirPod 2's case is taller, whereas the other one is wider. But the Powerbeats case, holy crap, it's massive. And people talked about the portability of this case is nice. I mean, the Powerbeats have the on-device controls, and that's nice. And they have the hooks and all of that. AirPod Pros, da 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 da. Charging cable, no charging brick. So, I guess we'll see if it opens right up. Found them. We're gonna connect. They look cool. Oh, they have spatial audio. I did not know that. Pretty good sound. Stand pretty good. Noise cancellation seems pretty good. Yeah, I mean they're nice. How they work exercising and stuff, I guess remains to be seen. But seem pretty cool. Seem pretty cool. Testing transparency mode. So I kind of dig them so far. I think maybe if they're more comfortable and I'm more productive, and maybe I take them with me more because of the smaller case, and they don't hurt my ears like the Power Beats do, and that can be nice. Thanks for watching.